Alright guys, the last fan I have to do still. This is the second Peerless electric. The one thing this fan will not come with is the screws. I gotta go see if I can find replacements. I have one set of screws between the two Peerless electric fans. It's using, it looks like an R52 canopy. Blades are decent, not in the best shape. Probably could use a restaining. Original switch. Let's go ahead and test it off on low. High, medium, low. This one is a perfectly balanced model. And it runs nice and silent. That's the low speed. Medium speed. And high speed. The fan is very well balanced, pretty much perfect. It's got a little shimmy, but it's very, very little, as you can tell by the chain. One thing that's nice is that tag is actually copper plated, not anti-grass, so that's kind of neat. Do spin down. Get one more video I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to do the Type 36 with the replacement bracket and see if it's better, runs better. And from there I call it a night. See if I can get these screws later on tonight if hardware store is still open. Starting this week, I'm going to start listing. I'm only going to list one fan at a time because I want to deal with trying to pack multiple fans. It's going to be difficult packing one of these a week, I think. There we go. Let's get another look at that tag for you. Thanks for watching, guys.